हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी जोलॉजी। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्राफ्ट्स एंड गियर्स यूज्ड फॉर फिश कैचिंग। फिश क्राफ्ट्स आर द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच प्रोवाइड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द फिशिंग ऑपरेशंस, कैरिंग द क्रू एंड द फिशिंग गियर. Fishing gear are the instrument used for fish catching. Fish crafts plus fishing gear is equals to fishing unit. Rafts and boat, canoe, mechanical boat, dinghy boat, catamaran, dugout canoes, shoe boats, etc. are types of fishing crafts. First is raft and boat. The simplest craft is a raft made of bamboo sticks, inverted pots and banana stems. Second, donga or canoe. It is used in places like Bengal, Bihar, etc. Third is boat. These are used to drag net. These are generally 35 feet long and 5 feet wide. Fourth is mechanical boat. After catching the fish, they are immediately transported to the destination. Fifth is catamaran. Catamaran word derived from the Tamil word kattumarum. Keeler's craft formed by tying together 3 to 7 logs of woods. A loose rubber is hung between the logs called tepa. Its length is 5 to 12 meter, width 0.7 to 1.4 meter, and depth is 0.3 meter to 0.7 meter. Sixth is dinghy and nauka. Curved boat usually used in West Bengal and Orissa. Its length is 15 to 25 feet and width is 3 to 4 feet. Seventh is dugout canoes. Keelers and single piece boat formed from the hollow trunk of palm tree. Bottom of boat is thicker than side for proper balancing in water. It is used in Kerala. Eighth is shoe boat. It is shoe shaped, made up of teak wood, constructed with planks glued with frames. Wood is fitted with nails and it is used in Godavari river. Fishing gears. It is instrument of fish catching. Fishing cycle. The entire period between the launching of fish gear and launching it again after a gap. Type of fishing gears: spear and harpoon, hooks and lines, fish traps, nets. Nets are of following type. First, fixed net. Second is beach sinner. Third is cast net. Fourth is purse net. Fifth is gill net. Gill net is of two types: simple gill net and trammel net. Simple gill net is divided into three: floating, anchored and stacked net. Sixth is drag net. Seventh is lift net. Eighth is jal, and ninth is sanglo net, and 10th is trawler. Spear and harpoon. Large size fish are wounded with the help of spear, lance or harpoon on water, so they are easily caught. One metallic conical points are attached at the end of 2-meter long bamboo shafts to form a spear or trishul. Harpoon has a barhead iron point attached to a 3-meter long bamboo shaft. Second is hooks and lines, commonly used in pond, lake and river. It is a metallic structure. The line is joined to eye of the hook at one end. The head line carries several hooks, increase the baits and chances of fishing. Third is fish traps or basket traps, used to catch fish like Atropnestis clarias that live in shallow muddy water. Made up of split bamboo having a wide opening about a meter in a diameter at one end and a small opening 12 to 15 meter in diameter at the top. The basket is dropped into water and the wide opening pressed into the mud where fish and prawns are expected. Fourth is nets, accessories for functionings. Ropes and cables for spreading of nets. Stakes, wooden structure to tie the net. Floats, floats are used for floating the net. Sink and weights, to keep the part submerged in water. Anchors, iron bar with flat or barhead ends used to hold the net in a place. Timbals, to protect the end of the cable. Swivel, the steel structure to allow the movement of ropes and cable. Socklers used to assemble the gear. There are several types of nets. First is fixed net, fixed in a water body or in a tide region. Stakes and floats or sinklers are used. Nets are rectangular or conical shaped. Shoreline. It is used in running water and in shore. One end of the net is kept at shore and other end is spread in seawater in semicircular pattern. It is used to capture mackerels and sardines in coastal Karnataka and Goa. Beach sinners used at the beach. It is also called Varjal in Orissa. Size about 1800 meter into 12 meter. Consists of two walls of net babbling of strong twines called wings. The wings are joined at the central bags of the net babbling. At the end wings are connected to cords which are joined to poles. The net is spread in such a way that one wing is called standing wing and the other wing is called running wing. Gill net. Placed transversely to free floating river or in a pond. It is of two types, simple gill net and second is trammel net. Simple gill net, 25 to 100 meter long and 2 to 10 meter deep. Used to capture fish, live, major carps, Celonia, etc. It is of three types. Floating gill net. It has a floating surface and a lower surface fitted with sinkers. It is suspended in water but floats. Anchored gill net. It is fixed permanently at described depth with the help of anchors. Stacked gill net. It is fixed at bottom by anchors or stakes. Cast net, commonly called ghagriya jal or throw net. It is almost bell-shaped. On lower circular margin, weight called sinkers are present, spread into water like umbrella. Due to heavy weight on margins, it sinks in water. Purse net, used to capture majority of fishes like ilga, large size fishes, carps and catfishes. It has wide mouth supported by two flexible bamboo rods. These rods are attached at two angles forming upper and lower lip. The net is suspended in deep water and it is attached to the boat. Initially, mouth is kept open, but as the fish enters mouth, is slowly closed with the help of bamboo poles. Dragnet, commonly used for fishing in ponds. It is also called chanti net and patiol. On upper surface, floating lines and on the lower surface, load lines with sinkers are present. Dip or lift net consists of a net mounted on rounded or V-shaped metallic or wooden frame. It looks like a finger bowl. The net is either moved in water in a scooping manner or held in water for 5 to 10 minutes and then lifted up rapidly. It is used to catch gregarious fishes. Bean net or jal, a type of bag net. It is tied to stakes or bamboo poles. On lateral sides, floats are attached. It is used to catch small fishes in deltas of West Bengal. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू.